and welcome to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. In this video we are going to have a very important and essential lesson. So let's begin. We are going to have how to say I have like I own something, and I need something, and we are going to have the word I want something. So let's begin with I have. Have to have something. Let's see. If you wanted to say I have, you would just say عندي. If you wanted to say you masculine have, you are going to say عندك. If you are going to say you female have, it's going to be عندك. If you are going to say you all have, all of you have, it's going to be عندكم. And if you are going to say that he has something, he owns something, so it's gonna be عنده. If you are going to say she has something, she owns something, so it's going to be عندها, and they have, it's going to be عندن, and then we have is عندنا. So these are how to say that I have something. For example, I would just say عندي سيارة, عندي بيت وسيارة, عندي لابتوب, عندي مكتبة, I have a library, عندي براندا, عندي بلكون, what else? عندي كرسي, عندي طاولة, عندي قهوة, it could be anything. I have anything. So this is how would you say I have in Arabic. We will use the same exact word for something else, for saying over here, over there, over there in your place. Oh my god, this is a very confusing sentence. So this is really confusing, but it's really essential. So if you had this عندك or عندك or عندي, so for example, I would just say, what do you think of coming over to my house? So I would just say تيجي, to come, لا, to, عندي, to come over to my place, come over to anybody's place, عنده, عندها, etc. So it could be come over, go to a place, to a specific place, friend's place, my place, his place, her place, etc. So this is the same exact word. And then the second word in this video is going to be how to say I want something. So it's going to be بدي. I want is بدي. And then you masculine want is بدك. You female want is بدك. You all of you want is بدكن. He wants is بده. She wants is بدها. And they want is بدن. And then we want is بدنا. So for example, if I wanted to say I want a car and I want a house, so I would just say بدي بيت وسيارة. بدي بيت وبدي سيارة. بدك قهوة؟ بدك قهوة. So do you want some coffee? So this is I want, you want, etc. and all the conjugations. This is the same exact word where you would use it as I need. So if you wanted to say I need a car, then you would just say بدي سيارة as well. So بدي is for I want and I need. We have another word of needing, of to need. We will have it of course in a minute, but this is how we most of the time say I want or I need. I want, I need are the same thing, and I have and over, here, over to my place are the same word in Arabic. So let's see the last word in this video, and let's see how to conjugate it. It's a must. How to say a must or should. We say لازم. So لازم is to must or should. So if I wanted to say I need something, so I would just say لازمني سيارة. I need a car. I should have a car, like that. So I need a car. And then you need, you masculine, you male need is لازمك. And then the female is لازمك. And then for all of you is لازمكن, لازمكن, and he needs لازمه, and then she needs is لازمة, and then they need is لازمون سيارة, for example, and then the last one is we need is لازمنا سيارة, we need a car, we should have a car, like that. So this is literally how to say we need, but we don't really use it. So we use I want with literally I need. So بدي سيارة is I want a car, or I need a car are the same. So this is all about this video. I will give you so many examples in our next video, because for now, after this lesson, after this video, you are going to be able to say lots of sentences. Actually, you have to go through all of the videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah 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 blah, until this video, until you get to this video, because if you study them really good, then definitely you are going to say lots of examples and lots of sentences and a brief introduction about you and lots of things you do. So this is how we say I want and I need in Arabic, and I should maybe, or how to say I have. These are them. This is all about this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you can see all of my new videos. If you like it, please comment below and tell me if you like it. If you don't like it, also tell me why you don't like it, so I can just avoid the things you don't like. And if you had any recommendations or suggestions, please also comment below, and do not forget to like the video so I can see that you like it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in next videos. Bye!